So what are your thoughts on the reconciliation of all Muslim factions? I know you highlighted a bit of it, but break it down for us.
Do you want me to talk about what just happened, or
yes,
the reconciliation? If it would happen, it would be good. You know, Shivan, these things are complex. They are older than us. The differences that we are seeing right now are very old. They are not 30 years old.
Okay.
They are very old. And the president knows that. So we are looking at something that has been happening time and again in history. And it has not been achieved except at the President Idi Amin's regime. This is when he forcefully made Muslims unite under the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. But did not work, because reconciliation and that kind of unity has to come willingly. You can't force it on someone. Okay? So reconciling as an alternative dispute resolution, it has rules. So we need to look at, first of all, the representation, where all Muslim sects represented. What were the grievances before? And now what has been agreed upon by all sects? We need to look at those documents, because the question is, what next? Yes, we have seen this wonderful gesture like you have highlighted on the news in our report, but what next then? Do we now become one group? And if we're remaining in our individual or separate groups, then what are the terms of what? The reference. How are you going to be operating together? And what should this unity mean? What are we now going to achieve that we were not achieving before? Now these questions need to come, because while we have leaders reconciling, we need to understand that there are over 6 million Muslims in Uganda.
Yes.
How sure are we that they were represented? Many Muslims were not part of the wrangles anyway. Because that representation might send a picture that all Muslims belong to these sects, and it's not right.